AskArc is a bit of a different beast altogether. AskArc is an up-leveling of Nymity AI. So Nymity AI is going to become part of AskArc. So how does AskArc work? Well, as you go, you put in your query, you ask ArC a question. And it's going to go out, instead of just that single dotted line over to Nymity Research, we're introducing a super agent called ArC Intelligence. And ArC Intelligence is the way that our software helps you get to the value that you're looking for quickly and helps you get there without having to know maybe exactly where to go to find the information you're looking for. So it wraps around your day, and it's really going to help think like you and help you work more like you rather than work like the way maybe our software works. So when you ask a question to AskArc, it's going to go out, and ArC Intelligence is going to have awareness of what all of our applications can do. So if you're asking a question about DSARs, it knows that TrustArc's individual rights manager is the best place to manage your DSARs. It knows that Assessment Manager can help you get information about current assessments you have out in the works. And in Nymity Research, it knows that curated, rich privacy data information and things to know about this industry, and not just the ones that, let's say, Reddit might know about. No, this is the team where a curated list of privacy professionals is providing this content, so you can trust the answers that come back from AskArc. So in this world, it helps unpack your question, and it will pick the best place to answer it. And the cool thing here is the more TrustArc apps that you have, the smarter AskArc gets. So the more value you can get is all around how much information you put in. And then of course, you're always in control about what it knows about. So we've also introduced some new intelligence here. So a quick comparison, because everyone loves a column with more check marks. AskArc has more check marks than Nymity AI ever did. So this is tapping into information and knowledge about Privacy Studio, about Governance Suite, our evidence library, the ability to run down TrustArc help and documentation. So if you ever wanted to know, how do I do this? AskArc can help. It can easily direct you into the part of the application where you can get that done if you just want a refresher. It also knows about your company settings and also has domain knowledge for awareness in the world. So there's some really cool things that are going to be unlocked with AskArc, and going to bring you a ton of value that blows the lid off of the Nymity AI experience that we've had such great response from, and thank you for that. We're also introducing some new features in the AskArc world. So we know that citations are a critical part of a privacy professional's day. We're all a bunch of skeptics in a good way, and we also, well, prove it to me. And AskArc is really built around the concept of yes, let's prove it to you. We're not just making this up. We want to show our work. This is a transparency platform all throughout. And AskArc is certainly no variation on that theme. So in AskArc, if you ask it a question, it's going to cite itself and also show the reasoning about how it got there. So you with confidence can understand exactly how it came to that answer, and you can take that information and then use it to make to jump into an article that reference that if you want to dig deeper. We're also introducing a new step history, which allows you to save history or also delete it if you just want to get rid of it. Voice input is really cool, so you can literally ask ArC. Read aloud results for accessibility. We also have copy results, so if you need to share a response that you get here, and you're like, great, that's really good, I want to send that over to Val, make it easy to copy those responses. Allow feedback. So, hey, this was a great answer, not so great answer. You can vote right inside the application, and that feedback will be passed along to us so we can help make the AskArc experience excellent as we want it to be, always moving forward. Regenerate results if you want it to try again. It can go create a variation on that answer if there's something else that would help you. We also let you analyze files, which is pretty cool. I'm going to show you a little bit about that here in a little bit. But hey, is this thing compliant? Any thoughts about this? There's a really neat experience with AskArc where you can share your file and have it take a look. New chat lets you create a new experience, create a collection of chat histories, and also save and rename any previous ones. So a bunch of modern enhancements that are going to help you use our software even better, and that's just part of the AskArc experience. And we think it's going to make it really easy to get a lot of information out of the system in a way that makes sense for you, so you can use it and drive your business forward.